One of the main reasons that a lot of people are reluctant to move away from Photoshop and into Lightroom is the lack of layers, but by creatively using the brush tool within Lightroom, you can build up edited areas that are much like the layers in Photoshop. Start off by selecting the area of the image that you want to work on and the effect that you want to bring into this section. For the setup of the brush, I prefer to drop the flow to around 40% and the feather about 30%. This way you can brush in as much of the effect as you want, allowing you to have full control over the affected area. For this tool, there is also an auto mask selection. However, for busy horizons, this option probably isn't the best route. With the brush tool, you can bring in multiple areas that you want to edit. Simply select the New tab and this will bring up a new mask area. You can introduce as many of these editable areas as you need to, but just remember the effects stack on top of each other, meaning any changes you make to your first adjustment will affect all of the newer brush layers. The brush tool really does have its place within your edit. Use it to create more detailed changes to your exposure to really bring out the best in your images. I hope you found this video useful, so for more tips and tricks on Lightroom, don't forget to check out the rest of the series from Wex Photo Video.